back in our chapter 4, that is effects of electric current. Till now we have seen only one tutorial video of this chapter, okay, and that video consists of like some kind of information, basic information about this chapter. So before moving to our today's topics, let's revise what we have learned in our last class. Okay, so we have learned about the term conductor. Conductor, which means what? The conductor is defined as the materials which carries electricity easily. Okay, for example, copper, aluminium, silver. Yes. And what about insulator? Insulators are opposites of conductor. The materials which does not allow the electricity to flow through it is called as what? Insulator. For example, glass, rubber, plastic. Okay, then we have seen a image which consists of some pictures which having effects of electric current. Okay, so here in this picture, like heater, lamp, it consists of which effect? Heating effect. Okay, then the bell consists of magnetic effect of electric current, and for fan is also having which kind of effect? Heating effect. Okay, so this everything we have learned in our last class. So today we are going to learn a very interesting topics, and the first topic is energy transfer in an electric circuit. Okay, here it consists of activity which we are going to perform in practical, but now we are going to just see that what this activity tells about. Okay, so for that we require some kind of materials. They are like connecting wires, then electric cells, electrical resistance, voltmeter, ammeter, and plug key. Okay, so what is the procedure? Procedure is connect the circuit as shown in the image. Okay, here you can see that this is a battery. Okay, this is I is called as current. So the current flows from positive terminal to the negative terminal. Yes, this is called as plug key. Okay, VAB is called as what? Potential difference. Then this is voltmeter, this is ammeter. These are the 2 points A and B, and R is called as resistance. ठीक है? Okay, so we have to connect the circuit like this. Okay, after taking the components with proper value. Okay, then what we have to do? We have to measure the current, that is measure the current I. Also measure the potential difference VAB between the two ends. Okay, that is A and B of the resistance. ठीक है? Okay, then the potential at A is higher than the potential at B. Here you can see potential at A is higher than the potential at B. Why? Let's see. So as the point A is connected to the positive electrode of the cell, here you can see point A is connected to the positive electrode of the cell. Yes, and the point B is connected to what? Negative electrode of the cell. Yes, if the charge Q, let's take an example of the charge Q, that there is some kind of charge Q which flows in the circuit. Okay, so if the charge Q flows from A to B, work VABQ has been done on Q while going from A to B. Okay, अगर कोई Q चार्ज जो है वो फ्लो होता है from the point A to B, then what happens? Work VABQ has been done on Q while going from A to B. So from where does the energy come to do this kind of work? Let's see. Okay, so the cell gives this energy through the charge Q to the resistance where work VABQ is performed. So we get this energy from what? From cell. Cell gives this energy through the charge Q to the resistance where what happens? Where work VABQ is performed. Okay, so now if the charge Q flow from A to B in time t, okay, charge Q अगर flow होगा from point A to B and it takes time t to flow, ओके, द वर्क इज परफॉर्म्ड इन टाइम टी, यस, अगर चार्ज फ्लो होगा तो वर्क भी परफॉर्म हो जाएगा, यस. देन ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम द एनर्जी VABQ इज गिवन टू द रजिस्टर. तो ये टाइम पे क्या होता है, एनर्जी जो है VABQ वो किसी को देते हैं, इज गिवन टू द रजिस्टर. ओके, यस. सो व्हाट हैपन टू दिस एनर्जी, ये एनर्जी को क्या होता है, this energy is received by the resistor and is converted into heat energy. Okay, when charge flow from one point to the other, some work will be done at that point. Here the points are what, A and B. Okay, and the work done is called as VABQ. Okay, but when energy from resistor converted into heat energy, heat मतलब क्या होता है, temperature. Okay, heat which means temperature. So when energy from resistor gets converted into heat energy, what happens, temperature of the resistor gets increased. Okay, yes. So here some kind of derivation is given in your page number 48. It is not the type of derivation, but it is small type of numerical kind of things, so which is very easy. So let's see. Okay, here P is equal to electrical power, which is equal to energy divided by time required. So now just now we have learned about energy is equal to what, VABQ divided by T. Okay, which is equal to VAB into I. ये I कहाँ से आया, you must have learned this in your previous standard that Q upon T is equal to I. Okay, तो Q upon T की जगह पे हम क्या लिखेंगे, I. So VAB I. Okay, so the source of energy, the cell. Source of energy क्या है, cell. From cell we get energy. So the source of energy, the cell, gives in time t the energy P into T to the resistor. Okay, if I is the current flowing continuously through the circuit, the heat is produced in the resistor in time t will be given as H is equal to P into T is equal to VAB into I into T. So यहाँ पे अगर ध्यान देंगे तो H is equal to P into T. ओके, P की वैल्यू क्या है, P की वैल्यू है VAB into I. ओके, तो हम यहाँ पे VAB into I लिखेंगे into T, ये जो T यहाँ पे था वो यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द इक्वेशन नंबर 2. ओके, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू द Ohm's law, VAB is equal to what, I into R. Yes, so this is the equation number 3. So here H is equal to VAB into I into T into R divided by R. तो यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने क्या किया, we multiply and divide equation number 2 by R. Okay, so let see, VAB into I into T divided by R हम लोगों ने multiply किया and then we have divided it. So after that what we got V square AB into T divided by R. So where this V square we got, you can see over here, one VAB is here. Okay, but you all know that I into R is equal to VAB. So यहाँ का एक I लिया और यहाँ का एक R लिया, तो क्या मिला, यहाँ का R and यहाँ का R. Okay, so it gets converted into VAB. Okay, so what we got 2 VAB, which means VAB square into T जो है वो यहाँ पे ऐसे ही रहेगा and divide by R. So that is equation number 4. Similarly, H is equal to I into R into T. तो ये I into R into T कहाँ से आया? Here you can see over here VAB is also called as I into R. Yes. So in the place of VAB we are going to write I into R. तो क्या आएगा इक्वेशन नंबर 2 में, अगर हम I into R डालेंगे तो VAB which means I into R into T. तो I into I, एक यहाँ का I आया और एक यहाँ का I. So we get 2I into यहाँ का एक R and T. Okay, so what we will get, we'll get a I square RT. So H is equal to I square into R into T is also called as Joule's law of heating. Okay, this is very important, students. Go through it very well. This is very important and it is very easy also. If you understand this, then you will not get any kind of difficulties. Okay, so remember each and every step, each and every point. Okay, yeah. Then unit of electrical power, P is equal to VAB into I. Just now we have learned that is equal to what? Volt into ampere. Okay, this is equation number 6. VAB, which means what? Potential difference. Okay, yes, you all know that. And I is what? Current. Okay, so 1 volt into 1 ampere is equal to 1 J divided by 1 C into 1 C divided by 1 S. So C and C, it will get cancelled. Then what answer we will get? 1 J divided by 1 S is equal to W, which means it is called as watt. And this is the equation 8. Okay. So thus the unit of electrical power is called as is 1 watt. Okay, remember this will ask in MCQ. The unit of electrical power is 1 watt. Okay, yes. Now we are going to learn a very simple topic, that is heating effect of electric current. So what happened when a resistor is connected in an electrical circuit? Obviously heat is produced in it due to what? Due to current. Okay, जब heat होगा तब current लगेगा. Yes. So this is called as what? This is known as heating effect of current. Okay. Yes, equipment such as water boiler, electric cooker, okay, water boiler, electric cooker, then electric bulb make use of the heating effect of electric current. जहाँ पे heat produced होती है, yes. Electrical conductors having higher resistivity are used over here. Okay. So when the resistor is connected in an electrical circuit, what happens? Heat is produced, and this is called as what? Heating effect of electric current. Okay. For example, a coil made up of an alloy nichrome is used in the electric heater cooker as a resistor. Okay, so a coil which is made up of an alloy nichrome, ये कहाँ पे यूज होता है? It is used in electric heater cooker as a resistor. Okay, yes. Then while a tungsten wire is used in an electric bulb में जो है वो tungsten wire जो है वो used होता है. Because of the current, this wire gets heated to nearby 3400 degrees Celsius and emits light. Okay, the hot wire also radiates heat to a certain extent. So here you can see these are the different types of coils, okay, which are used in different kinds of equipments. Okay, so now for this is a solenoid type of coil. Here you can see the coil which is used in cooker, coil in heater. Okay, and in bulb, which type of coil is used? In bulb, solenoid type of coil is used. Okay, yes. Several times we hear or read about a building catching fire due to the short circuit. Okay, I think last 2-3 days of past some news I have watched in that उसमें दिखाई दिया कि कुछ building को fire लगी है and all. So this kind of thing happens in several time ever. In my house also this happens. Last year, short circuit. The short circuit term we used to heard from so many things, and we are aware about this, that what is about short circuit. Okay, so sometimes if we switched on an equipment in our house, the electrical fuse wire melts and the electric supply shut down. तो क्या होता है, जो वायर होता है वो मेल्ट होता है and suddenly electrical supply which gets stopped. All the lights and all the things which we are using, electrical things which we are using, it gets shut down. Okay, the home electrical connection, live home electrical connection. Here you can see the home. Here you can see the home electrical connection consists of what? Live, neutral and earth wire. home electrical connection consists of live wire, neutral wire and earth wires. Okay, the live and the neutral wires have potential difference of 220 volt. तो ये live, neutral and earth wire क्या होता है? Live and neutral wires, these are the connection which we are getting from electrical pole. Okay, हमारा एक electrical pole होता है जहाँ से बहुत सारे wires attached होते हैं. तो live and neutral wire, this connection we get from our electrical pole, and earth wire is connected to the ground. Okay, ये जो वायर है वो ज़मीन के अंदर रहता है, उसके ऊपर सीमेंट डाल के और वो सब किया रहता है. सो अर्थ वायर इज कनेक्टेड टू द in the ground. Okay, so the live and the neutral wires have potential difference of 220 volt. The earth is connected to the ground, as I have said. Due to a fault in the equipment, or if the plastic coating on the live and the neutral wire gives away, the two wires come in contact with each other and a large current flows through it, producing heat. ओके, कभी कभी जो लाइव एंड न्यूट्रल वायर होता है उसके ऊपर कुछ प्लास्टिक का कोटिंग भी रहता है. यस, तो वो जब वायर एक दूसरे के कांटेक्ट में आते हैं, व्हेन दे कम इन कांटेक्ट विद ईच अदर, एट दैट टाइम व्हाट हैपन, अ लार्ज करंट फ्लोज थ्रू इट विच प्रोड्यूस हीट. ओके, if an inflammable material such as wood, cloth, plastic, etc. exists around that place, then it can catch fire suddenly. Therefore, a fuse wire is used as a precautionary measure. Okay, as soon as a current flows in the circuit, the fuse wire melts and breaks the circuit and any mishap is avoided. तो ये सब अवॉइड करने के लिए क्या होता है, घर में एक फ्यूज वायर भी होता है. ओके, फॉर द प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर. तो ये क्या काम करता है, फ्यूज वायर मेल्ट्स एंड ब्रेक द सर्किट एंड एनी मैशअप इज अवॉइडेड. Okay, so these are the different types of fuse wire which are used in our day-to-day life in our home. Okay, so this is a very dangerous thing that when it can catch fire. Okay, then when it can produce like a short circuit and all these things. So we should aware about this, that everything is in our house, everything is going well and all. And if we doubt sometimes that something is going wrong, okay, some light is not proper and all, then we have to stop our main fuse. Okay, अगर हम main fuse को stop करेंगे तब बहुत सारी सब जो लाइट है घर की वो बंद हो जाती है. एंड इफ वी कॉल द इलेक्ट्रिशियंस एंड ऑल, देन दे विल give a proper things, a proper whatever they need to do with it, they will do it. But we don't have to take any kind of risk related to electricity and this kind of all thing. Okay, yes. So many times, particularly in the summer season, huge electrical power is used in the evening due to home lighting. Yes, fans, air conditioner, use of electricity in shop, etc. तो समर के टाइम पे क्या होता है, आई हैव ऑब्जर्व दिस इन ड्यूरिंग द समर टाइप, दैट बहुत सारी लाइट जो है वो ओवरलोडिंग की वजह से बहुत मतलब प्रॉपर जो उनका वोल्टेज है वो नहीं दे पा रही है, बहुत ऐसी डिम लाइट वैसे कुछ हो रहा है. जो लाइट का प्रॉपर जो लाइट है वो एमिट नहीं कर पा रही है. वाई? बिकॉज सो मेनी थिंग्स आर गोइंग ऑन. सबकी जगह पे लाइट चलती है और ड्यूरिंग समर के टाइम पे भी बहुत सारी लाइट का यूज़ होता है, इवन फैन एंड ऑल. येस, सो एज अ रिजल्ट व्हाट हैपन, एक्सेसिव करंट इज ड्रॉन from the transformer supplying the electricity, and the capacity of the transformer is insufficient. If the capacity of transformer is insufficient, then what happen, its fuse wire melt and the supply gets shut down. तो ट्रांसफार्मर की जो कैपेसिटी होती है वो बहुत सफिशेंट होनी चाहिए. अगर वो इनसफिशेंट हो जाएगी तो क्या होगा, all the things gets shut down. Okay, such events occur due to overloading. Yes, I have told you about this, that this happens during summer time, because summer time पे बहुत ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर प्रोड्यूस्ड होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा हीट होती है. सो ओवरलोडिंग की वजह से भी बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकते हैं. सो वी शुड हैव टू अवेयर अबाउट दिस एवरीथिंग. वी डोंट हैव टू टेक एनी काइंड ऑफ रिस्क रिलेटेड टू दिस electricity problems and all. Okay, if we think that if any doubt is there, then we should call the electricians. ठीक है. So students, today we have learned about heating effect of electric current, and then we have learned about energy transfer in an electric circuit. Go through the content and revise the content well. Thank you.